Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a vegan side dish. Anybody could have it. It's a baked potato Mediterranean style. Let's get going. Pull the sweet potatoes, cut in half, drizzle with a little olive oil and put it in the oven. While that's baking, you're going to get 1 can of chickpeas, drain it and rinse it. Mix the chickpeas with cumin, coriander, cinnamon, and paprika. You're going to put it in the oven for about 15 minutes. Make a sauce that's gonna go over the top. So in the sauce, you have tahini, chickpeas, lemon, dill, garlic, and water. Mix it in the blender and you end up with this great consistency. You're going to mix chopped tomatoes with parsley, some lemon, bring all those Mediterranean flavors together. Find a really beautiful plate to place your sweet potatoes in. Let's put some of the chickpeas on top. Add the tomatoes. And the finishing touch will be the tahini sauce, okay? Look how beautiful the dish is. Enjoy it. Ciao!